Ever wondered how to turn on multi-guest requests on your TikTok Live? Well, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your device. If you have over 1,000 followers, you're good to go. Tap the plus icon on the bottom of the screen to start. Now, if you see options for camera, story, templates, you're on the right track. Unfortunately, I can't show you the live option since it's only available for users with 1,000 followers or more. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Once you're live, look for the guest icon in the bottom corner of your screen. Tap on that. Next, click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Here, you'll find the option to choose the layout of your page. Click on Grid and allow requests from viewers by turning on the toggle. And voila! Multiple guests can now request to join your TikTok Live. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!